See previous video before this one. This is going to be steak and Stilton and Guinness pie. Look how tender that steak is. This is the Stilton I'm using. It's the exceptional range from Asda. Don't forget to see the previous video before this. Just crumble your Stilton straight in. And this is what Shannon does. This is the bit that intrigued me. She puts bits of Stilton on the ready rolled. This is puff pastry. So the pie is short crust at the bottom and puff at the top. And she crumbles Stilton. This is the bit that intrigued me. And then she folds it over. Re-rolls it. I hope I'm doing this right. I think I am. Make sure you see the previous video. This is part 2. I have baked the pastry at the bottom blind. I'm just taking out the baking beads. So I baked these blind, stops a soggy bottom, and I'm going to put the filling in. This small one is for a friend of mine, a very dear friend, and this is for me and Grandpa Dave. So let's get the filling in. Lovely. As I said, this one's for my friend. Because that's what we do. We swap food about. We cook for each other. Yes, it's a he. He will come and collect this tomorrow. Check that out. Steak, Stilton and Guinness pie. See previous video for recipe and method. And thank you, Shannon. Let's do this. Mash, sprouts and carrots. Oh, I love sprouts. And thick gravy. Always. Enjoy your meal tonight. It's red hot. Everybody else absolutely love sprouts. The meat in this pie is just, it's like butter. See you all tomorrow.